Welcome back to the channel, and this is a DoorDash promo code that's going to credit your DoorDash account $100. Now this is by far the best DoorDash promo code that I've managed to find, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it in a short while. It's actually really easy. It takes you a few minutes and you can use it on any order, and you can even spread it across multiple orders. Now before I start, if you could like this video and subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. And I'm sure you're aware these discount codes are super hard to find, and I'm going to show you where to go to get your ultimate $100 DoorDash promo code. You need to visit this website, guys, www.giftcardhero.net. As you can see here, this is the website. So once you go to this website, you should see this homepage. Now you need to look for the DoorDash page. As you can see, there's a ton of pages, so you've got to go to the search function. I'm also going to be sharing the phone screen, so that will be somewhere located on the screen, so you can do it on both your computer or your mobile phone. I recommend doing it on your mobile phone, but it's entirely up to you. So you've got to go to search and type in DoorDash. And now this is the page you need to find DoorDash promo codes 2023. Okay, so this is the section. You can see this is a DoorDash 100 account credit code, exclusive code, and you can apply this off your orders or just apply it to your account. So let's press this reveal promo code button to get our code. Now we need to basically unlock the code. This verifies you're a real person. It says here you need to complete one of the fast free surveys. I usually have to complete 2, so just do 1 and then try a second one if it doesn't work. You can see on the mobile phone screen there is slightly different offers if you're on mobile. These tasks only take 30 seconds or so to complete. They're pretty easy. You can see I'm going to just do a couple of these surveys, and I'm going to input my email, guys, so give me 2 minutes and I'll just do this and then do a second one and I'll be back. Okay, welcome back, guys. So like I just said, I finished 2 of these. I did both of these offers here. So if you've done it correctly, when you return to this gift card hero page and scroll down, it should, yes, it's now revealed my code for DoorDash. So I can enter this in on my account and it's going to credit me $100. Alternatively, if I'm doing a huge order that's over $100 worth of food, I can apply this code and it's going to remove 100. So it's pretty easy, guys. This is by far the best discount code available. It's not even worth Googling it because I have looked for hours and struggled to find a decent DoorDash promo code. You can look, but you won't find anything of use, especially for existing customers. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Go to giftcardhero.net, follow the steps and get your very own $100 promo code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.